Texas in every way. So I'm gonna give y'all what y'all been asking for. You wanna know how I trim the oxtails? You wanna know how I season them up? I'm gonna give you the rundown. These are the oxtails right here, they're whole. I got about 8 boxes of these. I'm gonna trim down and get it and prep them. So first things first, we working with a saw. I bought this saw off Amazon. It run about $500. I was really using another kind of skill saw at the beginning, but now that I'm at a different level, I had to come with a top quality piece of equipment. Now working this saw, the main thing, you know what I'm saying, is to watch your fingers. Because while I'm trimming these and stuff like that, you are putting yourself at risk to cut your fingers off. So that's my main thing, is safety. I was a safety supervisor at one point in my life, so I just pay attention to everything and make sure that we get it right, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna open these up right here. Open them up. And they come like this, you know what I'm saying? They come like this, and I always cut that other piece off right there. So we're gonna cut this on. First thing first, I'm gonna cut this end off right here. That end. I always cut that first, get that out of the way, and then we're just using it. That's the first piece. You see these pieces right here? That's where most of your fat is at, on that outside area. You gotta get that outside area off of there. Let me show you how I do this. Always just get them even. Get them all the way even. You see, I got it's pretty trimmed up, and then I just go with the cut. One. You see the amount of fat that I leave on there? Just enough to get that flavor, you know what I mean, and to hold that seasoning on there. We're gonna come with the next one. You see what I'm saying? How there's a lot of fat on there. We're gonna cut this end off like we did earlier. And then we're gonna bust the little tail down first. Starting off with that side piece again, you see that? We're gonna trim him down. That's a big piece of fat. And no, I don't use the fat for anything. I throw it away. I don't have the time to deal with it. I'm basically just getting down to that meat. That's all I want to do. And there's the oxtail. We'll just keep on doing it like this over and over and over until we get all of them trimmed up. I got the pit going out there, so the pit will be hot by the time I get this first round out the way. Same process. Come to the side. Yeah, so doing it this way is cheaper for me, and then I'm able to cut them how I want them to look. You know what I'm saying? Like, I cut them pretty decent size. Like that piece, I won't even trim them. I'll leave them like that to give a nice size tail, you know what I mean? I'm gonna get this first layer, because I do it in layers, that way I can season them up. All that fat. From the bottom. Pretty simple, pretty basic, you know what I'm saying? And then we'll come through. I'm gonna tell you a secret about trimming them. I like to try to get a little close to the meat. The closer to the meat you get, the more cherry the nuggets are gonna be. I promise you. And then we're gonna go over here, we're gonna season this first batch. Put a little season on it. Rock him down. This is how we do it, you know, Texas in every way. I'm gonna give y'all the game on the secret. I'm gonna give y'all the secret on the seasoning too. So y'all just rock with me, and I'm gonna get this first layer done, and we're gonna work on the second layer. I will be back. I'm out.